Hi everyone and welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2024 May-June Paper 31 Webpage part. So before we continue, it says that we need to start with the file management. So create a new folder called J2431. So we need to create a folder J2431 and then we need to locate these files into that folder. So what you need to do is, I have these files already, so I will just make copy of them, the contact, location, logo, splendid, style sheet and text file. So they are in total 6 files. Yes, we just take copy of them. And I'm creating a folder on desktop with the name J2431 and we'll paste these files over there. After that, what we need to do is display the content of your folder, showing the folder name, all the file names, file extension, file size and dimensions. So just click on the view and then click on content. So it has all the view. Now just take screenshot of it. It shows the folder name, the file details, and then you have to save all these details into your evidence document. So for example, this is my evidence document, so I will have this one as my evidence. Previously I had my evidence for the spreadsheet part, but right now I'm starting with this one. Right now, next step is to carry on with the web page part. So they said create a web page called Splendid. So I'm gonna open here Expression web application and I'm going to create a web page called Splendid into the same folder. So I'm going to save this one with the name Splendid and we'll go to desktop and I will try to find my folder and I'm just going to save it over there. Now next step is to this web page will have actually a table with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 2 columns. So I'm creating a table with 2 columns and 5 rows. So done, a table is created. Now I need to give the shape, so I need to merge these two, modify, merge, then I need to merge these two, modify and then merge, and then I need to merge these two as well. Right click, modify, merge. Now this one, right click, cell properties, and the width as they mentioned, or the height, it should be 20%. Height in percentage 20. Apply and OK, and then the height for this one 60%. Right click, cell properties, the width in 60%. Apply and OK. Now next step, that you have to name each and every cell, as it will be easy for you to know which cell you named what. So this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G. That's what we have. Now what we need to do is, as they mentioned, there should not be any border, so we are not going to have it. Set the title of the web page Splendid Toadfish. So go to the code and here we have the option title. So you just have the title here, Splendid Toadfish. Design view now. Enter in cell A the text, converts our endangered species, okay, in cell A. So I will remove this one and cell A. In cell C, splendid toadfish, copy in cell C. And then after cell A and C must be heading style H1. So just click here, change this one to H1 and this one as well to H1. Now, next step is to enter in cell G the text created by followed by your name, center number and candidate number. So you will just write here created by, then your name, your center number and your candidate number, and this should be heading style H2. Just click here and H2. This is done. Now moving forward to the next stage, place in cell B the image of splendid image, actually J2431 splendid.jpg. So I click in cell B, insert picture from file, desktop, now my folder and splendid. So if there is any, like I can just say splendid. Okay, the image is included. Next step is in cell D the image of contact. In cell D, so we have the cell D here, the image of a contact. So this is contact, and then in cell F location, the image of location. So I will just type here location. This is done. Now next step is to add appropriate text to all images that we are done with. Place in cell E the text from the file J2431 text as a paragraph style. So what we need to do is we need to open this file, copy all the text, and then we need to paste it into cell E, and this all should be paragraph style. This is done. Close this one now and let's follow the next stage and next step. So attach the style sheet to your web page. So format, and here we have an option style sheet, attach style sheet, or we can just click here even attach style sheet, browse. This is our style sheet. So the style sheet is being attached. Now the next step is to create a new style sheet, so that you need to create a new style sheet as well now. So this style sheet you will name it later on. So I'm gonna click here on new and create a style sheet, and what they ask us to do is the file J2431 logo.png is placed as a single background image in the left top corner of the window. So we need to have an image. So we will click on format, new style, then in the background we will choose from here the image and the logo. Open. This one should be not repeated and it should be positioned on x-axis at the left top corner. So now I click on apply and OK. So one style is created. I'm gonna call it the body. style name is called, but because it's going to be in the background as a body. Then the table is right aligned within the web browser. So when they say right aligned, so left margin is 0. So we click on table, then we choose here style, and then we choose from here table, and then position. So position of the table, we just choose from here the auto, or we can just simply click on table, or let me just click on apply. Okay, and then I write here that margin left is gonna be auto, and semicolon, margin right is gonna be 0. So it is gonna be now right aligned. That's it. Now next step is to H1 and H2 are paragraph, and the paragraph use this font style. Okay, so I include here new style, and I will call it H1, and it should be times New Roman serif. Okay, these are the details. And then after H1, H2 paragraph styles are bold, so they should be bold as well, and the paragraph style is fully justified. So we have nothing to do with this one at the moment, as we are going to have H1, H2 and a paragraph together right now. So apply. Okay, this is what we are done with H1, comma H2, comma paragraph. And now for paragraph, new style, I will choose from here paragraph, and then we have the alignment. So text align, justify, apply. Okay, this is done. And now it says your name, center number and candidate number are set as a comment at the top of the style sheet. So at the top of the style sheet, I will use a star slash, or star slash my name, then my center number and candidate number used as a comment, and then make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML, so it doesn't have any HTML. Now I need to save my style sheet with such name. So copy, I'm gonna save this style sheet into the same folder, but here I'm gonna type here my center number and then my candidate number, and then after I'm going to type here my candidate number. This is done, and now I'm going to attach this style sheet to give the higher priority. So I will go to my web page, format and style sheet, format and attach style sheet, browse, and one more style sheet which I wanted to connect. So now my table will be right aligned into the web page. And then after, take a screenshot of your style sheet and place it in your evidence document to make sure all the contents are visible. So you just need to take the screenshot of this one. Here it is, and now include this one into your evidence document as your second evidence. And then after, what you need to do is you need to Save your web page and take copy of the HTML code. So splendid. Code. Copy all this code and paste it in your evidence document. And then after is you have to show your web page in the web browser as well. So file, preview in the web browser. Yes, this is how your web page look like. Now you have to minimize the, just a second, one more time, let's try this one. Yeah. So what you need to do is, if you just zoom out, you will find that all the contents clearly visible. Okay, just like that. And you can still zoom out to see the contents. Yeah, so these are all the contents of your web page. So you can take a screenshot of it and include it into your evidence document as they mention here. And that's all from the web page part of this video. Hope you understand how to include the pictures, their properties, and creating style sheet and related stuff. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.